today we finally gonna start this car. I hope so, man. If you're keeping up with my G83 rebuild series, then you know last episode we were trying to start the car because I do know that this car is a run and drive vehicle. For those of you that know, on Copart, some cars are run and drive, some aren't. This car was a run and drive, but the coolant packs and the auxiliary radiators on the side were hit. So I just gotta replace those today and hopefully we could get this car started. In today's episode, we're gonna try starting the car, replacing the auxiliary radiator on this side because this one was the one that got hit and took most of the damage. So next thing after that is we're gonna take off the crash bar. Hopefully in this episode, I'm able to start this car. The battery did die, so we're gonna have to jump that battery again. I'm new to this, so for those of you that don't know me, my name is Failure. And I just bought this G83 because I'm trying to rebuild it with zero mechanical background at all. The last thing I did on a car was an oil change on my Supra. But other than that, we're gonna bang this out right now. Let's get this car jacked up.
10 years later.
Almost done taking off this wheel liner, man. This thing is being a bitch, bro. Oh man. Alright guys, hopefully this works. The impact. Spin that. I didn't have a pick tool, I just used this makeshift pick tool that I just made right now to take off the clip on the coolant lines. And then now I'm just using this 10 millimeter right here to loosen this up. And once I get this out, hopefully I'm gonna just pull out that auxiliary radiator real quick. After a long, hard fight, finally got this auxiliary radiator out. Got hit bad. Now, gonna try to take the rest of this off. Once I get the auxiliary radiator holder off, then I'll be able to get to the last crash bar bolt that I have. And once I get that off, if I'm able to pull this crash bar off by today, then I'll be able to start the car for the first time. So hopefully I'm able to get the crash bar and the secondary crash bar off, able to start the car on, reconnect that battery before I start the car, and hopefully this works out. Got a couple hours of sunlight. Hopefully I get this done today. I'm persistent. I'm gonna make sure I do this for y'all, man. Leave a like, subscribe, follow me on all platforms. Failure MK5, Failure with a 3. And you know me, man. Let's grind. After a long, hard battle, man, finally got the radiator off. This is the one that I'm gonna replace it with. Got the crash bar bolts off. This is the massacre that I left right now. And yeah, I'm gonna put this auxiliary radiator on, probably put some distilled water inside the car, and after I put all that stuff in the car, hopefully I'm gonna turn on the car, because I don't know, man, this battery, I don't know if I gotta give it a jump, I don't know what I gotta do, but the goal of this video is to turn on the car. So if I put that as the goal of the video, I'm gonna make it happen. Now I'm gonna put this radiator back in, the other one that I have. So yeah guys, this is my second time coming to AutoZone. This time I came, first time I came, I had to buy some Torx bits. Some of them did good, the other ones I returned them right now, but also right now I just came to buy a jumper cable. This jumper cable I'm gonna use to jump the car, hopefully fix that battery, get it done. Once I jump it, put some distilled water in, and hopefully, oh my god, I hope so, I can start the car. That's what I'm hoping for. So yeah, let's see. I've never jumped the car before, so this is gonna be my first time jumping the car, so I'm low-key scared. I don't know, bro. I don't know how to jump a car. I don't know how this sounds, but I'm just being honest with you guys, man. because the way I'm doing this, I'm trying to be as transparent as possible. I've never jumped the car. My first time jumping the car. We're gonna see how it goes.
That's fine.
Sure, that's fine.
It's good, yeah, it's good. As long as there's a connection. And then that you can just put it anywhere.
That is supposed to be a ground, so.
You can do that, yeah, that's fine.
But first, do I put the ground first, or first connect that battery?
Fine.
Sure.
Yeah.
This shit is not connecting to anything.
It's good like that.
Sure.
Yes. Yeah, you go.
You heard that?
Yeah, there's juice.
Yeah. Alright, so now these jumper cables are jumping this battery right now from this car to that car. Should I go grab the key or not? Should I grab the key or not? Yeah, alright. Better put in some distilled water and hopefully get this car turned on for the first time.
You fix the leak?
Yep, I just put another radiator.
Did you check after you?
That's what we're gonna see right now. ChatGPT said put these 2 bottles, they should be good enough to at least run it and see if it leaks or not. Because the last time I put this, voila, it was just leaking everywhere.
What if you drink distilled water? What happens? It's not good to drink too much of it.
Just put in some extra oil just in case before I turn it on for the first time. Alright, chat. This is the moment of truth. What do you guys think? You think it's gonna start? Come on, my boy. We got the car started, man. What you know about that? No leaks, no nothing. Don't worry, forget about that. Yo. No leaks, no nothing, right? Come on, they said I can't do this. I do this. Come on, come on, my boy. Abba, that shot nothing. Come on. Oh my God, man, we ready. That's about the toilet. Come on. You got the car turned on. You don't need to be a mechanic to do these things, man. Come on. Yo, they said I can't do this. Come on, the guy right there said I can't do it. Come on, chat, don't let nobody tell you what you can't do. This is what you do, man. Chat, man, you don't know how much this means to me right now. Just got the car started for the first time.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Got
up?
all these people over here real quick. But yeah, chat, in life, people tell you you can't do things. Prove them wrong, man. They said I can't turn this car on, can't do anything, bro. I told you guys.
Subscribe
I'm persistent.
to MK5.
Yeah, tell them.
Subscribe to him.
They got my boy over here.
Vibes, you're not with us, then you against us.
Yeah, that's a fact. But yo, finally got the car started. The next step is to put this whole car back together, man.
Yes.
Gonna get this crash bar off, hopefully probably in the same episode. Once I get this crash bar and the secondary crash bar off, then that's when we gotta go to these other heat exchanger, transmission cooler, the oil cooler. Once I get all those steps down, then that's whenever we switch over to the front end, the bumper, the headlights, and yeah. This is just the beginning, man. In episode 2, we got the car running, man. Look at this. Oh my God, man. Look at that. Fiona red interior, man.
Are you gonna paint it?
Nah.
Because it's scratched.
Got my boy astonished. He doesn't even know what to say, man.
Gotta do two-wheel drive donuts to the top down soon.
The best part about this whole rebuild series is I'm gonna have INNOVA by my side. With the 5610, I'm gonna be able to scan the codes, read all the faults. This little thing does more than what professional scanners do that cost more than $1,000. Very easy to use too. Just plug it into OBD2 port. It scans all the available systems. You can access engine, transmission, ABS, TPMS, battery. There's no subscriptions. Get your INNOVA 5610. Link in my bio down below. Celebrate finally turning on the car. It's time to... Oh, hold up. Celebrate turning on the car for the first time. It's time to cool off, man. I deserve this. Oh, let's see, my pockets, everything empty. It is time to cool off. Oh my God. Woo! What up, guys? It's the next day, and we got some bad news. My front lip on my Supra is cooked. Let me show you guys underneath real quick. Look at that. It is cooked. So yeah, now I gotta get this front lip off completely, and I'm gonna be driving this car essentially naked again, man. It's gonna look so bad. I need to get either this lip. Comment down below if I should get this lip, or there's an Arma Speed. I think it's Arma Speed. I forgot what company it is. It just replaces this piece right here on both sides, and it makes it carbon. So let me know if I should just do that or just stick with my original, like that front lip that I always go with. Get this bumper off. RIP front lip. This front lip is a legend. Definitely was a legend, I'll tell you that. And yeah, it's cooked now. Fire. Lovely. At least we know the carbon fiber was real. We're finally gonna get this crash bar off this car. Yesterday I took off all the screws on that side. Hopefully we're gonna get this side off today so we could just pull this crash bar off, assess all the damage completely the right way. And yeah, let's get this crash bar off. Hopefully that secondary crash bar on the bottom too. And then finally, by next week, next episode, you should see me either installing, hopefully I buy a heat exchanger, a trans cooler, and an oil cooler, and replace all that. And then hopefully the car should be mechanically ready to drive.
We interrupt this program for an important news announcement.
Oh my God, gotta take a break real quick, man. So yeah, while we're on this break, let's talk about why I'm doing this whole thing. Honestly, I don't even know myself. Look at this. But I've been watching too much Matt Armstrong videos, Matt Ross, Joe James, all these rebuild series. And honestly, it just inspired me. I was like, man, if they could do it, they're human, I could do it too, you know? Even if I don't have no mechanical experience, why not? Try something. I always had a passion for cars ever since I was born. And I guess this is my calling, man. We're gonna try rebuilding this car, and hopefully if we succeed, man, there's more to come. This watermelon's good. If you guys have any other questions, comments, concerns, comment down below. If you guys have any advice, if you guys see me doing something that I shouldn't be doing that way and you guys know the correct way, correct me if I'm wrong. This is what we're here for. I'm here to learn how to work on cars. And if you guys are a plug for parts, especially after this episode drops, which is tomorrow, Sunday. Damn, I gotta edit and upload by tomorrow. That's crazy. That is a plug for BMW parts, such as like heat exchangers, crash bars, front bumper, anything, man. Let me know, because I do have to have all receipts and everything for this New York salvage inspection. And hydrate yourself. That's my version of minis. W Fortnite. I don't even know how to speak English anymore, but yeah. Back to your regularly scheduled program. So now I'm taking off the holder for the auxiliary radiator so I can get to the last main bolt on the crash bar. Honestly, working on these cars are fun and all, but sometimes it can get very stressful. So after I get those bolts free, I started swinging Thor's hammer to let that crash bar loose. over here, I had to make sure I didn't damage this headlight any more than it already is. And then I'm not gonna lie, bro, this crash bar was low-key heavy, bro. I didn't even realize that it was gonna be this heavy. Guys, so I finally got the crash bar off, as you see. Now all that's left is next week's episode. Hopefully I buy a heat exchanger, trans cooler, and an engine cooler, get all of these situated, and then that way all the mechanical problems of this car are done with, and then it's all on to getting those headlights, both of them repaired, a whole front end, cooling plate, all this extra miscellaneous parts. We've came a long way so far on this rebuild series. This is only episode 2. Follow, like, subscribe, share, comment, and it's been Failure, and I'm out of here.